see a difference in terms of the issues on the campaign trail. The same characters are on the campaign. They are speaking the same language they spoke last time. For the citizens, I see just even more anxiety, more fear, more concern as to what really will happen if the results, especially if the results of these elections end up favoring one side. That is the government side, especially now that the opposition believes there's a scheme by the government to rig this election.
Some people have been talking about how the economy is stupid. You're talking, of course, about shortages, for example, of ugari, maize meal, which is a very basic staple. People have been talking about the possibility of an unga revolution.
Oh yes. The economic issues have been out there. Of course, the blame goes squarely on the government of the day, but not that there's any serious kind of discussions on how this will be resolved. But of course, the government sees this as a disadvantage to them at this particular time to have these food shortages, perhaps high prices of essential commodities. And for some, they feel that a majority of Kenyans may vote for the opposition, mostly because of these issues, because of the food issue, the unga issue. But at the same time, you have to remember that the ethnic vote is very strong. The core supporters of the Jubilee, who are found in Central Province and the Rift Valley Province, will probably, regardless of the issues that are out there, vote for those that they perceive to be their men. And because that's a big issue in this country, where people may vote on hungry stomachs for one of their own. But there is no way you can downplay the fact that the Unga revolution or the shortage of food and the high prices of some of the foodstuffs may have an impact on the election this time around.